Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. It's your boy Crypto Mechanic right here guys. On this video guys, we're going to be talking about the latest airdrop that I found out lately, and I want you all to get involved in it because this airdrop is actually going to cook on that most. It's 100% free. It doesn't require even a dime for you to participate on it. So this airdrop right here is a very good one, and it could be earning us from $500 to about $10,000 depending on the amount of effort that we put through this. So right now on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to participate on this airdrop, and also I will be giving you the reasons why I believe that this airdrop is going to be a very good one, and it will likely make us a whole lot of money for free without us having to do anything about it. So first of all, for us to start with the video, I want to quickly advise that you stick around and you make sure you watch every part of this video, as this video is going to be a very detailed one, and we're going to be going through all the whole processes without having to delay or whatsoever. So first thing, over here on the X handle of Grass, you can see right here that they are verified with their golden check mark right here. And what entices me the most is that when you click over here, you can see over here that the top followers over here are the people that I strongly believe, and the people that I trust so much in the crypto space. So when you look over here, you can see that over here that they are being followed by Wallet Guard. Wallet Guard is a security advocate that prevents people or hackers from stealing your crypto. So also you can see they are also followed by Trustpad. You can see Solana itself are following them. All right, so these reasons alone has proven to you guys that this is a very genuine one, and you should not hesitate to follow them up, and also get to follow all the process I'm going to be taking right here before you can be able to. And also you can dive in and make your own research concerning this project by coming over here on their Twitter handle to read all the details concerning this project right here on their pin post. So right now, without having to waste any time, let's now continue and learn how we can be able to participate on this video on this airdrop program and get to earn ourselves for a whole lot of money. So recently over here on our Telegram channel, where we publish a whole lot of information that's gonna help you make a whole lot of money, I dropped the update lately, and also this airdrop right here is being talked about on OKEX Twitter handle. So this is the tweet that was made by OKEX few hours ago. Right now you can see you can only retweet this if you are touching grass. So this is like they are giving us insight. This is like a hint that you should know by now. So right here on this video, we are going to be learning how we can be able to participate on this airdrop. Before we go ahead and proceed with the airdrop properly, let me now go ahead and introduce you to our free BNB giveaway campaign. We actually give out free BNB to our video viewers. So if you're watching our video right now, you actually stand a chance of earning yourself free BNB by just getting to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on this button right here if you haven't subscribed yet. After subscribing, you go ahead and click on this bell icon and select all, so that YouTube will send you notification immediately we publish any new video. After that guys, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up by clicking on this thumbs up button. Then you share this video to any social media platform, to your family and your friends, so that you help us to reach a wider audience. Then finally, you go ahead and give us a meaningful comment right here on the comment box, so that you over here on the comment box, that is where we actually pick away our winners. So if you want to be picked among the winners, you should make sure your comment is right here on the comment section. So right now, let's go back and talk about how we can participate on this airdrop properly. So to participate on this airdrop, you actually need what we call Kiwi browser. So Kiwi browser is just like your normal browser, but Kiwi browser allows you to add extensions. All right, unlike Chrome will not allow you to add extension using your mobile phone, but Kiwi browser will help you to add extension, because over here on this video we are going to be adding an extension that's going to be helping us on how we can be able to go around this airdrop. So the link already has been dropped over here on our Telegram channel, so make sure you check out the link on the video description down below to come over here and get the link all by yourself. Over here on your Play Store, you type in Kiwi browser like this. So over here, this is it. You make sure that you have already installed this app on your phone before you go ahead and proceed. All right, so the next thing to do is that you come over here on our Telegram channel, you copy this link like this. You copy the link, then you go to the Kiwi browser that you just downloaded. So over here on the Kiwi browser, you just go to the search bar, you go ahead and paste the link you just copied, then you send it immediately. So when the page opens, this is exactly what you're going to be doing, what you're going to be seeing on your screen. So what you got to do from this point is simply go ahead and input your email, your username, your create a good password. Then over here you need to check this box, then you go ahead and confirm that you're not a robot. Then finally you go ahead and register immediately. And immediately once the page opens, this is exactly what you're going to be seeing. So over here guys, you can see this is actually the approach 2, which means like the phase 2 earning. So a lot of people who got into this earlier has already earned a whole lot, but right now we are getting in a kind of late, but we are not too late today, so we should proceed in right here. So over here guys, this is where you see your earnings right here, and over here this is where you see the overall daily earning, and also this is where you get to connect. And also let me show you where, okay, this is where you get your referral link actually. So to invite people, the more people that you invite, the more you are likely to earn even bigger. So right now let's now go ahead and click over here that we have this rocket button. So when you click on the rocket button, this is where you get to see some other cool stuff that you probably need, like your referral link, all that blah blah blah. But enough of, let's not waste our time right here. Let's go ahead and go to the main day. Let's go to the chase. So over here guys, let me now show you guys something. So the most important thing that you need to take note of right here is that for you to consider it valid, you need to make sure that you stay up to 100 hours uptime. All right, sometimes it is 100 hours, sometimes it is 48 hours, which means that you need to be active, well connected for up to 100 hours, which will take you around 3 days or something like that, or about even 1 week. All right, so over here guys, let's now go ahead and learn how we can be able to connect. So to connect, you go ahead and click over here on this connect button. So you go ahead and click on add to Chrome. So you go ahead and click on OK. So once you just click on add to Chrome like that, it will load up immediately. So for you to go ahead and proceed, you need to click over here that we have this three dots at the top. So once you just click on it, then you scroll down, you are going to be seeing it right here. So it's going to be showing up right here, and over here this is it right here. Okay, so this is the extension. So I will go ahead and click on grass extension like this. So this is going to be opening up immediately, and it will ask you to log in. So you need to log in immediately right here. So you just allow it to load up immediately. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. So over here you need to input your email and of course your password, and then you verify it immediately, and boom, you will be connected immediately. So over here guys, you can see that I am now connected. So this is simply how you do it. So this is how you get to go around this. For those that found it confusing, now you can see over here that I am now connected immediately, and the more I connect, the more I am connected, the more that my earning right here reads. All right, so remember, the more that you earn, the more your reward will be bigger. So if you earn very little, your reward also will be very little. So make sure you stay connected for up to 100 hours. So with this, you're going to be earning more, and you are going to be qualifying for even a bigger reward. All right, so right now I believe that I've been able to clarify you on these. So thank you for watching the video to the end, and I will see you guys on my next video that are going to be dropped very soon. Peace out, and remember, more updates concerning this airdrop is going to be dropped on our YouTube channel. So make sure you are following us, so that on each update that drops, you will be notified and you will take the necessary actions. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and I will see you guys very soon. Peace.